Let's create our first resume now. In the resume draft section, you can create your resume in 3 ways. Create a resume draft from scratch by pasting your existing resume or by uploading a PDF or docx resume file. To start, select Create a resume draft from scratch, open the template, and edit it. With just one click, the comprehensive template will be displayed. Please note that from this section onward, you can edit, rename, and delete files from the dashboard, as well as from the new window. Let's take a quick look at the resume draft template. It's essential to have a well-crafted resume to make a strong impression on recruiters. With over 5 years of experience in STEM career coaching, I understand how challenging it can be for new job seekers to draft a resume from scratch. To assist, you can ask GPT to help by providing as much information as possible, such as your name, university, major, and any professional experience. GPT will not only help organize these details into a well-formatted resume, but will also remind you of any supplementary information you may need to include. For example, I asked, "You are a resume writer." I am Tesla Nasdaq. I graduate from Bachelor of Science in Tesla University on 2024. My major is AI engineering. I worked in SpaceX as an AI assistant engineer from 2019 to 2020. I hold a AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate and NCDA CCSP. Once you have gathered your information by copying answers from GPT, click the Paste Resume button to input everything, and be sure to add any additional details before clicking the Generate Resume button. This process may take a few minutes to create a comprehensive resume, so let's discuss how to write an effective one. Here are some tips. The key to a successful job application is to demonstrate that your experience, education, and skills align with the job description, showing that you are the best candidate. A crucial aspect of this, both in your resume and during interviews, is to tell a good story. Clearly articulate your past experiences, responsibilities, and contributions to the company. Additionally, consider preparing demonstrations of your work, such as a showreel or examples of projects you've developed, rather than merely describing what you've done. At a minimum, you can use a pen and paper or a tablet to sketch concepts, theories, or examples from your area of expertise. After your resume is complete, you can click to edit, rename, or delete it if you no longer need it. Here we rename the file to a shorter file name, but we cannot modify the timestamp of resume creation. Let's take a look at our draft resume. It contains multiple sections, providing a comprehensive overview of your career. You may notice some auto-filled sections generated by the AI career coach, which serve as templates, but may not accurately reflect your background. Be sure to replace any auto-filled content with your personal experiences and avoid including sensitive information. You can anonymize your personal and company-related details by using placeholder information. Furthermore, if you already have a resume in docx or .pdf format, you can upload it from your computer. Please note that we only support docx and .pdf formats for uploading.